So this vlog was actually supposed to be a full Sunday reset. I had planned to do my laundry, clean my room, fold and organize my clothes, make my bed, basically reset my entire space and get myself ready for a new week. But life happened. Yesterday, I had to go and help my friend move out, so I ended up putting my own plans on hold for a while. And by the time I got back, I was honestly exhausted. So this isn't exactly the reset I had planned, but I decided to work with the energy that I have instead of forcing myself to do everything. And honestly, I think that's something I've been learning lately. Life has been a little messy lately. There have been a lot of changes happening at once, and I've been trying to figure out what I actually want my life to look like from this point forward. I've realized that I don't necessarily need to have everything figured out right now. I just need to start taking care of the things that are within my control. And sometimes that looks like doing laundry. Sometimes it looks like cleaning my room. Sometimes it means getting out of bed, taking a shower, eating properly, studying, or just making sure my environment doesn't make me feel even more overwhelmed. I've also been thinking a lot about the kind of routines I want to build for myself. Not those perfect routines where you wake up at 5 a.m., work out, journal, read 10 books, drink your green juice, and somehow have your entire life together before 8 a.m. I mean, real routines that actually work with my life. I want to become someone who keeps her space clean, takes care of herself, stays on top of her responsibilities, takes her studies seriously, and still has time to enjoy being a person. And I think I'm finally understanding that becoming that version of myself isn't going to happen overnight. It's going to happen through really small decisions that I make every single day. I also have been trying to become more intentional about how I spend my time. I've noticed how easy it is to lose an entire day scrolling, procrastinating, overthinking, or worrying about things that I cannot change. And I don't want to live like that anymore. I want to be more present in my own life. I want to spend more time doing things that actually move me forward. Things like studying, take care of myself, keeping my space nice, working on things that matter to me, and getting back into routines. And just becoming a person that I genuinely like being. I think one of the biggest things I'm learning is that a reset doesn't always have to be dramatic. Sometimes you don't need a completely new life. Sometimes you just need to wash your clothes, clean your dishes, clean your floor, take care of yourself, and start again tomorrow. And that's what I'm trying to do. But this time, I'm trying to do it gently. I'm not trying to become a completely different person overnight. I'm just trying to become a little better, a little more disciplined, a little more intentional, and a little more at peace. So this wasn't the full Sunday reset I had planned. I didn't get to film everything. I didn't fold all my clothes on camera. I didn't make my bed and do all the little things I originally wanted to include. But I think that is okay because real life doesn't always go according to plan. And maybe that's the whole point of a reset. You don't have to do everything, you just have to do what you can with what you have and give yourself another chance tomorrow. So this is my reset, not perfect, not complete, but enough for today. And I'll see you in the next one.